Did you know you can import optimized versions of Revit models right into SketchUp? Here are 5 easy ways to maximize your existing Revit data using SketchUp. The first thing on our list is creating stunning visuals. The first thing to do when creating visuals is always add context in detail. Using the Add Location feature, you can position that imported Revit model in its real-world context. We're able to import 3D buildings, terrain, aerial photographs, and immediately see our Revit model in context. The next step is adding even more detail, and to do so, we're going to utilize SketchUp's 3D Warehouse. It's the largest online library of models in the world that includes everything you can imagine, from trees that you can position on the hillside to people who add life and scale to our visuals, or even things like cars and streetlights. These add the required level of detail needed to create compelling visuals. The model looks okay in context, but to push it to the next level, we will start applying SketchUp's photoreal materials to this Revit model. We can control their metalness, roughness, and 3-dimensional qualities through normal maps and ambient occlusion maps. By pairing these photoreal materials with the added level of context and detail, we've quickly transformed this Revit model into a presentation-ready visual. As we're seeing here, this image can be exported and put into tender documents, pitches for public consultation, or even for your own marketing material. As well as these PBR materials, you'll notice I've also got a sky dome here, or an environment. That is this photoreal sky that we are seeing, which of course looks great and makes our photoreal materials pop. But what it also does is it allows us to create a range of images with different ambiance all within the same model. Here we have a nighttime scene of our landscaped garden.